There are millions of high buildings, power facilities, photovoltaic panels, and fans in the world, and they are increasing massively each day. All of them will get dirty as time goes by. Traditional manual cleaning is unsafe, inefficient, high cost, and not complete. Now, the cleaning drone will resolve this issue thoroughly. Comparing with the manual work, it's fast, economic, complete, and safe. The work weight is up to 100 meters. How does it work? The system consists of water pump, 100 meters hose rack, and cleaning drones. The water will start from the ground pump and go through the hose to the drone to spray. The drone is installed with the nozzles, which can be fixed or oscillating one, with 4 different spraying angles, which is 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees for the application of different work scenarios. The Intelligent Obstacle Avoidance Sensing System, Dual RTAK configuration, and Optical Pod will ensure the safety of the flying, furnish the intelligent route planning, data collection, command decision, and results generation.